Hey guys, it's Amanda from Animal Apocalypse. Today I'm going to be talking about nesting for small mammals. So you'll go to a pet store and you'll probably see this bag of, it will say nesting materials, and it's like, it looks like cotton candy almost. It's colorful, and they're, advertised for nesting for your small mammals, but they're really not safe for one major reason. They aren't dissolvable, and they do not disintegrate. So a hamster is going to put the bedding in its mouth, take it with him, and make its nest. Putting it in its mouth, it might swallow it as an instinct, and it could choke and die. Also, cotton balls have the same effect. A lot of people give them cotton balls. Not a good idea either. A good thing is, things such as napkins, paper towels, and tissues are perfect because they're dissolvable. So the saliva of your hamster would wet it if it was in its mouth for long extended periods of time, and wouldn't get it clogged in its throat. Also, they're a lot easier to work with for you and your small guy. So, like, the small guy's gonna have to rip apart his cotton ball or whatever and make a nest. And I feel like it will spend a lot more time if you give it individual pieces making its nest rather than just making a little cubby. You can also use newspaper too. And newspaper has the same effect of dissolving. So with newspaper, I suggest ripping it into small strips and giving it to them in half again, just these long strips that they can curl in. Paper towel, just give them a piece of paper towel, or you can rip it into tiny pieces, or whatever, depending on what you want. You can change it up to entertain your hamster and all that, or your mouse or gerbil. You can also give them hay, or oats and ocean grass and all that stuff. Orchard grass, I mean. And small bits of softer cardboard and stuff. And they'll basically just put it together. Also, I like to use softer bedding on one side. So if you use Carefresh for the whole thing, then maybe you want to buy a bag of Clean and Cozy and that softer bedding that can be used more for nesting. And, obviously the Carefresh comes in these huge packages, so, getting a small thing of Clean and Cozy may be a little more expensive, but you could just use that for nesting. Not all hamsters will nest in their house, and if they are nesting in a certain corner, you can try and move a house over to that area, but if they don't appreciate that, then just leave it as is. A lot of them nest behind wheels, or under food bowls and water bowls, water bottles, or just randomly. So wherever it is, that's where you want to put the stuff. So I suggest using toilet paper, paper towels, newspaper, napkins, hay, different kinds of oat type things, and soft bedding. So, alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.